First, the top news headlines. Tree felling in catchment areas causes water scarcity, says MLA AK Mirabai. Congress urges government to send doctors at Jiribam checkpoint. And IT road at Tamenglong's Tamai in pathetic condition. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Suraj Khongban giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Congress MLA AK Mirabai today told the House that deforestation in the catchment areas has caused water scarcity in the state. Participating in a cut motion moved by opposition against 7 different demands tabled in the House passage, Mirabai stressed on the need to keep a check on cutting down of in catchment areas. The Water Resources Department should concentrate on planting more trees, she demanded. Mirabai also emphasized on the need to formulate a strict policy to solve the issue on water shortage in the state. Two opposition MLAs moved policy cut motion on these 7 demands, namely education, election, minor irrigation, sericulture, water resources, horticulture and soil conservation and tourism. Congress MLA K. Ranjit today drew the attention of the state government over the Jiribam point where only male nurses are working without any doctors. During 0 hour in the House, the Congress MLA also demanded that the government give importance on the situation where novel coronavirus is fast spreading across the globe. He described it as very unfortunate that there are no doctors at the Jiribam checkpoint bordering Assam. The MLA urged Chief Minister N. Biren and other concerned ministers to look into the matter at the earliest. Manipur Power Minister T.H. Biswajit said that nearly 1.65 lakh consumers in the state are yet to be installed electric prepaid meters. He was responding to a query from Congress MLA K. Ranjit during question hour in the House. Biswajit further said that there are around 3 lakh prepaid electricity consumers in the state and that no prepaid meters were sold from 2017 to 2020. On average, the department collected around rupees 14.20 crore from prepaid electricity supply and rupees 6.05 crore from others per month from 2018 to 2019. He informed that the department spent rupees 396.05 crore in buying electricity during this period. The minister further said that the department is planning to purchase around 2 lakh prepaid meters. 3 government bills were tabled in the House today. Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam introduced the Bir Tikendrizit University Bills 2020, Bill number 3 of 2020. PHED Minister Losi Dikho tabled the Manipur Sewerage Bill 2020, Bill number 4 of 2020, and Chief Minister N. Biren tabled Bill on Manipur Professions, Trades, Calling and Employment's Taxation, 9th Amendment Bill in the House. In addition, N. Biren, who is also the leader of the House, tabled Inner Line Permit Guidelines 2019 published in Manipur Gazette Extraordinary number 332 on December 31, 2019. Despite spending rupees 151 crore, Tamai Road is causing inconveniences to commuters. TOMTV brings you an exclusive report on this.
The Northeastern Council NEC sanctioned rupees 151 crore in 2011 for improvement and blacktopping of Tamai Road, popularly known as IT Road, which is a 119 long kilometer stretch of Infal Tamenglong Road. However, IT Road is now facing a pathetic condition, inconveniences to the commuters. In an exclusive interview with TOMTV, 52 Tamai Assembly Constituency MLA Awangbo Newmai asserted that the current situation of IT Road is the fallout of the insincerity on the part of the contractors, subcontractors and engineers. He added that the money sanctioned for this road could have made it as good as the national highways.
Raised this complaint to the sanction authority, that's NEC, that the road has not been properly executed. So a proper inquiry has to be made. I have demanded for proper inquiry. Which agency they may use, I don't know, CBI or whatever. It's up to the NEC now. The government of Manipur, of course, have given the knowledge to Chief Minister also. Chief Minister have spoken to NEC that a proper inquiry has to be made because such a huge amount has been spent, but the road is not up to that standard that amount has been spent.
Talking about the banking services without ATM facilities at Tamai, MLA Awangbo said that ATM facility would be set up soon. Besides blacktopping of the inter-village road, the MLA added that many development works for Tamai and Tausim subdivisions are in the pipeline, including setting up of a residential school.
In both Tausim and Tamai, to bring development as much as we can. Now almost all the villages will be covered by all-weather road under PMJ's way. Construction of road and the blacktopping is under progress, connecting almost every village. Near future, ATMs will be also installed, as the bank authority have assured me.
Many people from all walks of life, including students, vendors and villagers, expressed displeasure over the present condition of the IT road and drew the immediate attention of the authority concerned to restore it before the rainy season sets in.
Koi miron ba sing pregnant oi ba sing su haji rainy season guma matam da lambi yadabani na pregnant nupi sing di chatpa yadabani na akhoi da siba guma so na thokpa mi su lai aduna haji lairiba leaders sing MLA minister sing su hena asigi akhoi gi awaba miyam se athuba matam da mateng pangbiyo aduga haji lambi semliba miyam contractors sing su asiguma akhoi gi members sing mi miyam se waraga laiba mi se noina nusidana athuba matam da mateng pangbiyo.
We are facing problems with the road condition because the people and the government are not providing our needs and they're not helping us travel safely also. And we are facing struggle as it takes longer for our journey, and we have problems maintaining our vehicles also. And on top of that, if the road is bad, the transportation is also bad, and the development also will be bad. So I hope and believe that the government will take up the action very soon.
You can see the condition of the road that the people and the passengers and the commuters are facing here in this very road. When the people on this earth are striving their life to settle on other planets, how long the people of Manipur has to live in such a pathetic and such a horrible condition of the road? With camera person Ivungo, Blessing Gangmai for TOMTV News IT Road.
Well, it's time now for a short commercial break. Do stay tuned.
Lions Gym Health and Fitness Competition kayada mana kaya fanglakraba well qualified trainers singi makhada hangdokchaba khutlai matik chana leiraba amadi nupa nupi punna sanaminaba yaraba gym ne. Admission fee ₹500 only. Monthly fee ₹500 only. 1 year ₹4,500. 6 months ₹2,000. 3 months ₹1,300. February thagi oinadi admission fee logjaroi. Pollution free location oiraba amadi tha ahum khudingi free health checkup ki khudong chabasu pijari. Ngasimag lengsin biro Lions Gym Health and Fitness. Kwakaithel Haino Khongnembi Pukri Mapal. Contact number 7005687478. Admission open. The Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center. Foundation course for class 9 and 10 will start from 18 April 2020, and foundation course for 11 and 12 will start from 15 April 2020. Course highlights: small batches, conceptual based knowledge, chapter wise test, individual attention, regular feedback and parents teachers session, free personal counseling. For details, please contact the Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center, Hatta New Chekon Road.
Welcome back after the break. A driver was killed and another critically injured when an oil tanker in which they were traveling fell into a deep gorge near Wapai village along Imphal More Road this morning. The deceased was identified as Thongam Santa, age 21 years, son of Mangi of Yumnam Huidrom, Imphal West, while the injured was identified as Laisram Dhamen, age 41 years, son of Let Megha. They were taken to More Hospital following the mishap, but later sent to Imphal as their condition was deteriorated. Sub-Divisional Police Officer, More Police Station L. Meghabarn and his team rushed to the spot and later registered a case over the incident, a report said. A Chinese hand grenade exploded at Kakching Lamkhai Khangsim village this morning. The explosion took place at the office of James Khaling and Sons Construction Private Limited around 9:40 a.m. No one was injured in the blast. A Tata Innova wearing registration number AS01AM 9300 was damaged during the explosion, the report said. JKS Construction is owned by 1 Million Khaling, age 38 years. A team of Kakching police led by Superintendent of Police Victoria Yengkom rushed to the site to take stock of the situation. Meanwhile, Khangsim Village Authority, Napui Inlam and Youth Club Khangsim have condemned the blast. They demanded the government to book all culprits at the earliest. A 13-year-old girl was raped allegedly by a youth in a paddy field in Nongada area of Imphal East under Lamlai police station last night at around 11:30. The accused, identified as Sanasam Malimnganba, age 19 years, son of Sanasam Inau Meitei of Sawombung Awanglekai, was arrested by a team of Imphal East police this morning. The accused is said to be a friend of the victim's cousin brother, whose wedding took place yesterday. Reports said Malimnganba forcefully took her to the field and committed the crime. Some locals found her lying in unconscious condition in the paddy field located near her cousin's house. On receiving the news, a team of Lamlai police, including women police personnel led by Imphal East Superintendent of Police, rushed to the site. The police are investigating the incident.
Koi na ichal ichan kau beri nang ta da berah hai tai. Ada kedok khomang tin hai kanda chin men jun bi hai. Ngang se. Ma chin men ma khoi me le hai. Ada ni ma ji khom da ben hai. Hat ke tok ba jai ba. Akoi me am thi ba kam ba di ma ji hat pa ngam da sa khi ba ne ba ngang ji na. Angang ji khoi na chwa de yom da di ing ga ju chi ne ba ngang ji. Ngang jam ing ya ba ngang jam na. Che upa ka ta le ba ne ba ngang ji.
Men accused oriba akhoi mioi do khoina pharaga hojiki akhoi custody leire aduna makhata na khoi maduda involved leiba kana lege do khoi kana thiri aduga khoi women police station gi team na forensic examination detail me am spot ta adagi phangiba mioi sing adagi moi phajana examine tawduna makhata na khoi chatsajari ado investigation is on and in full progress ta khoi kana hona jari.
The Lone Primary Health Sub-Center PHSC at Kasimpur Bazaar under Jiribam district is not functioning properly as it does not have district immunization officer and proper building. The PHSC, founded in 1984, was run in a rented room, but non-payment of rent led to the removal of the signboard by the owner. Situated 4 kilometers south of Jiribam District Hospital, the health center was run with only one nurse who visited it once a week to provide vaccines to the children. However, the immunization service at the PHSC had stopped since early part of the current month. Vice President of Jiribam United Club Association, Ajuka Jiribam, Mutum Prem Chandra, called on the health department to take steps to ensure proper functioning of the PHSC at the earliest.
Health Department na asugba Jiribam da tongan ba sa district hospital da natana sub center da lay ba mayam sing asida akogi laina tina changdana ba na immunization gumba sigumba left na yamna negligence tawba si akogi mari leina ba health department na Jiribam si kari oina akoi Jiribam si kari oina thambi ribno haibasi akoi koi hangdaba ngamdaba ama waire marmaduna si mari leina ba health department na asugma mayam si koi loina koi masi phaganna ba all Jiribam Club Association Ajuka Maigidigi Kamjari.
Jungi Mapuna Mapanda Tokire, Ado Hizi Sanfuru Talaire, Building Su Jaude, Ojigi Marak Muraktadi, Imanijan Kappa, Lakpani Hujiki, Karadagi Laktri, Kenuama, Building Ama Sabiro Haina, Apil Tojari, Aina.
Council of Teachers Association Kota is all set to launch an indefinite relay hunger strike starting February 29 against Manipur government's indifferent attitude towards the demand of rectifying revision of pay ROP rules. Kota convener CA Santakumar informed this to journalists at Manipur Press Club Imphal today. Santakumar criticized the state government for the pay structure cut policy.
29 February sidagi relay hunger strike se koi sing amazdi tamda tuna singi mafam amada district ki headquarter amada loinana valley ki sumafam amada punna ikoi relay hunger strike chathaba se haujaragani haidana ai media gi thongda laktokjari.
Kota co-convener Dr. L. Ritendro expressed dismay over the Manipur government's attitude, ignoring the demand and protest by the association. He also warned all bodies under Kota not to jump into any sort of negotiation with the government without consulting the association.
Waza singi marakta discrimination tawbibase government paibiriba aikhogi honorable singsina aikhogi college tana pikhraga waza singi association singsida waza gi simfamda lairiba ID primary daina grade higher secondary lecture phabuki de lairiba waza singi buna handana yengbiba amadi karigumba amata akhoi government sina thabak thong pakhat piraktaba haibase Kota gi side gi yamna nungaitaba yamna akhoi gi yam lumna akhoi gi yam pendaba amasu akhoi Kota side gi phongdoksai.
District Child Protection Unit Imphal East organized a one-day awareness program on child protection, child marriage and adoption today at Luang Sangbam Community Hall. Luang Sangbam Gram Panchayat Pradhan S. Ango, Imphal East District Child Protection Officer Indrani Chongtham and Block Development Officer of Hengang Community Development Block, Ilangbam Amuthoy Singh attended the program. The event mainly focused on the low sex ratio, child marriage and infanticide in the state. Pradhan S. Ango said that village-level child protection committees of Hengang will be set up to help curb crimes against women and children.
Kamai tona protection angang sing pi gada gya bedo nasi akhoina hasumba mai gi panchayat to the very level committee amam semo na post hairabani na sida sem doi baga member sing si akoi panchayat ki member sing yaurani pradhan yaurani aduga akoi maira pai bigi ama yaurani mihul ama yaurani aduga akoi civil society ki mihul ama yauragani asa yauragani angawati worker ama yauragani adu loina kanosi surabra khale aduna.
Nupi Samaj is against legalization of cannabis cultivation and sale of liquor in Manipur. Talking to media persons at Organization Office Lumphel, President of Nupi Samaj T.H. Ramani condemned the move of the government to legalize cannabis plantation for revenue collection. She also expressed strong opposition against the government's plan to set up a bonded warehouse in the state, which is a dry state under Manipur Liquor Prohibition Act 1991. Ramani criticized the state government for failing to come out with a proper policy to tackle the drug menace.
Nupi na haja tauriba maya nupa si nupi si chama na ngau si no yuai guli sing tu na de masi jo thingbi ge hara te thingbi yo loina mang ba tare sembi phaming aida isya supuna mangna abok ta de gyan ta ga da masi gi ni saji amata Korea leka so hangbi kanu ganja ki sipat tau bi kanu abu tau khan biyo angang sing je ungna thakna ngasi syam tau pada mama sing hai rak pada sida chakiri iwa tau nu ko hai ni chai chalo ga tau ki do mama khoi ni khangam dre aduna mama oi bu khoi na chai ma sha she sembi ki sha supuna mangna amuk tang ni kallaga amuk tang ni khanda biraga amuk tang ni sha puna mak she thing na ba amuk tang phana na ba hona biyo hai bi.
In a joint operation by the Indian Army and Assam Police, a huge racket of the United Liberation Front of Assam Independent Alpha I has been busted in Upper Assam's Tinsukia district. According to sources, a joint team of Indian Army and Assam Police was able to nab 4 hardcore cadres of the Alpha I and 4 minor recruit cadres of the outfit from different places of Tinsukia district during a marathon operation. The operation continued for 2 days and 2 nights, conducted from February 24th, sources said. Many warlike stores and objectionable materials like Alpha I flags as well as jungle shoes were recovered during the operation. Sources said Alpha I has been trying hard to recruit cadres from the rural areas of Assam through their linkmen. Let's take another short commercial break. Do stay tuned.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center. Kumja lising ama chawpan marifom doi ki hong chai kuntra manga hena Notice India ahan hearing aid clinic mo ne lerek laba Nauka gi Info Center ma hangjare TV ma phone gi konjel loinana nil khongum fam na tabang ngam da gi awab mayok na di bina al kuding mag wabi rugano Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic nga simak leng sindirektuna completely invisible water resistant ama di rechargeable oda ba digital hearing aid hapiu tabang ngam gi pangalwana ba dong gi khang chana ba single power si tambio ai khoi gi leifam di Nagamapal Main Road Phawai Sangmam Laikai near Community Hall. Mobile number na 6009545159.
Marks Time Classes. Chahi khudingi leptana topper puthokliba CBSE gi amatangairaba coaching center. Well experienced teaching faculty. Akhanaba subject opt tawbagi khudong chaba piri. Batch amada 15 students agi hena logjade. Admission form thazare. Form pishin bagi aroiba matam February kun. Akupamarol gidamak lengsun biraksi Marks Time Classes. Wangkai Mahobom Lampak. Phone number 9436288300 natraga 7005268735.
Welcome back. The Mizoram government is willing to shift to Panchayati Raj institution from the existing village council system, said Local Administration Minister K. Lalrin Rana. He was replying to a question by opposition Congress leader Zodin Twanga Ralte in the State Legislative Assembly. He said that the Local Administration Department has formed a drafting committee on the Panchayati Raj and completed a concept note according to media reports. The state government also sent a team to Sikkim and Tripura to study the Panchayati Raj institution, he said. According to the minister, the matter was discussed once at the cabinet meeting and was kept it aside for revision after the completion of upcoming village council polls. Thirty-two people have been killed so far in the violence that rocked Northeast Delhi since Sunday evening. While 30 deaths were reported in GTB hospital, the remaining 2 were reported in Lok Nayak hospital. On Wednesday, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal visited the riot-affected Shiv Vihar as over 200 people were injured in the riots. After an alleged clash between pro and anti-CAA groups earlier, National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, accompanied by senior Delhi police officers, had visited the affected areas, going door to door and assuring residents of safety. On Wednesday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi tweeted that he had an extensive review on the situation prevailing in various parts of Delhi, admitting that the Delhi police could not bring the situation under control. BJP sources said the government was keen on putting the administration into action to contain the violence. The Delhi High Court took note of the hate speeches made by BJP leaders and questioned the conduct of Delhi police and directed it to register FIRs against those who made these speeches, saying this city has seen enough violence and let it not repeat 1984 when anti-Sikh riots claimed over 2,700 lives in Delhi alone. Incidentally, Justice Muralidhar was transferred out of Delhi High Court on Wednesday. The government of India provided 15 tons of medical assistance comprising masks, gloves and other emergency medical equipment to China yesterday. As per reports, these supplies were delivered by an Indian Air Force C-17 special flight which landed on Wuhan City, China last evening. This assistance has been provided in the wake of the coronavirus COVID-19 outbreak in China and the request by China to provide supplies such as masks and medical equipment. Prime Minister Narendra Modi had written to President Xi Jinping on February 8 expressing the solidarity of the people of India and the Indian government with the people and government of China and also offered assistance to China in this hour of need as a gift. The assistance is also a mark of friendship between China and India and to celebrate 70th anniversary of establishment of diplomatic relations this year. As many as 138 Indians, including 132 crew and 6 passengers, were among the 3,711 people on board the luxury cruise ship, which was quarantined off Japan on February 5th after it emerged that a former passenger had tested positive for the virus. Of this, 16 were tested positive for coronavirus and will stay in Japan for treatment, while the remaining will be repatriated to India. The repatriation is being facilitated by the Indian government. Coronavirus has infected more than 80,000 people in 37 countries, causing more than 2,600 deaths in the past few months, as per media reports. Earlier this month, India had evacuated as many as 640 of its nationals from Wuhan, the capital of the Chinese province of Hubei, which has been the epicenter of the novel coronavirus. Meanwhile, Saudi Arabia today halted travel to the holiest site in Islam over fears about a viral epidemic just months ahead of the annual Hajj pilgrimage, a move that came as the Mid East has over 220 confirmed cases of the new coronavirus. According to media reports, the extraordinary decision by Saudi Arabia stops foreigners from reaching the holy city of Mecca and the Kaaba. The cube-shaped structure the world's 1.8 billion Muslims pray towards 5 times a day. The decision also affected travel to Prophet Muhammad's mosque in Medina. Authorities also suspended entry to the kingdom to those with tourist visas from nations affected by the new virus. The decision showed the worry about the outbreak potentially spreading into Saudi Arabia, whose oil-rich monarchy stakes its legitimacy on protecting Islam's holy sites. Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, young opener Safali Verma smashed a 34-ball 46, but India frittered away a solid start to post a below-par 133 for 8 against New Zealand in their crucial Group A match of the ICC Women's T20 World Cup today. 16-year-old Safali once again provided the fireworks as India scored 49 for 1 in the power play overs. But they lost 6 wickets for 43 runs to squander the good start. Smriti Mandhana, 11, who returned to the playing 11 after missing the last match due to illness, departed early. However, Safali and Tanya, 23, kept the scoreboard ticking, adding 51 runs for the second wicket. In the 10th over, Tanya departed after being caught by Amelia Kerr at backward point. Jemima Rodriguez, 10, then joined Safali as India reached 75 in the first 10 overs. Manchester City earned a 2-1 victory yesterday over Real Madrid in the UEFA Champions League round of 16 first leg to return to England with a crucial advantage. Real Madrid's Spanish midfielder Isco broke the deadlock in the 60th minute, giving his team a 1-0 lead at the Santiago Bernabeu Stadium in Madrid. But Manchester City's Gabriel Jesus equalized with a header in the 78th minute, making it 1-1. Manchester City's Kevin De Bruyne scored the winning goal from a penalty kick in the 83rd minute. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Tree felling in catchment areas causes water scarcity, says MLA AK Mirabai. Congress urges government to send doctors at Jiribam checkpoint. And IT road at Tamenglong's Tamai is in pathetic conditions. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.